Hi everyone, this is our last set of similarity, congruence, and proofs for SAT practice. We have a triangle cat and a triangle dog, which I think is kind of funny. Triangle dog and triangle cat, C-A-T-D-O-G, with the vertices, and they're similar. And if the third vertex has a y-coordinate that is less than -1, what is the coordinates of the third vertex? So basically all of these are all -1. And I went ahead and drew it. On this one you're going to have to draw it, but if you do it really quick, it's the only way to do this. So basically here it is, and this is a cat on top here, and dog is down here. And they want, I don't know how to spell, okay, D-O-G. So basically, I went ahead and plotted it, and when you plot it, you can get your H. Your H here is going to be 6, which is 7 minus 1, and then this length here is going to be 6 minus 2, which is 4, and this length's 5 minus 3, which is 2, and now we have to find this point in here. So basically, if we examine them more closely, they say the triangle is similar, so look at the ratio of the corresponding sides. The ratio of the base of the smaller triangle to the base of the larger triangle is 2 to 4, which would be equal to 1 over 2. So the ratio of the other pair of sides, so the ratio of the other pair of sides, and therefore the height, must be the same. This means that the height of DOG is half the height of triangle CAT, or half of 6, which is 3. So the length of this is going to be 3, if this is 6, because we've got that. So you go down 1, 2, 3. So there you go. And then, which means the vertex is 3 below. So you can either just count down. So this is going to be 4, -4 here. X is, X is positive 4, and Y is -4. So this is 4 right there, comma -4. So you have to draw it. There's no way. So the answer is C. It says this is hard, but it's not. It's just that you're going to have to quickly draw this because it's a SAT question. Alright, and here's one more. We have this figure, and UY and YX are parallel. UX intersects WY at V, and they want the length of WY. So they want the length of this. Let me go ahead and this length right in here. So basically, let's use some hashtag marks. These two are congruent because of the parallel. We're going to have to fill out as much information as we can. So we're going to put our congruent marks here. These are, of course, congruent. And these angles are congruent. Alright? So, it says the order of the letters in the similarity statement makes it clear that VX, so VX right here, corresponds to VU. So here we go. Alright? So first and last letter. And it's triple the length based on the figure. Because 3 times 3 is 6. There's 9, sorry. So segment VW is going to have to be a third of 6. So a third of 6 equals 2. So the question asks for the length of WY, which is going to be 2 plus 6, which equals 8. And that is your answer, which is answer A. Okay? Now, on number 10, you need to read this. I'm not going to read it. Basically, we need to find the value of x, which is this length. So go ahead and pause the video and read it. I went ahead and filled everything out for you. Alright, so they didn't fill it out. You have to fill it out, but I went ahead and did it to save time. So what we're looking for is x, so we're going to do it just like the other problem. And we're going to show that we're going to write the similarity statement and start with the angles marked with the 1 hash mark. So we have E and D. So with that, start with those angles and then the 2 and then the 3. And then we're going to subtract. So basically you can see from the order of the letters that EB and DB are congruent sides. And one is twice the other. So thus AE, which is what the question asked about, corresponds to CD, has to be twice as long. So do you see where this is? This is twice as long as this. Oops, sorry. This is twice as long as this, and we're looking at our angles. And so this will be 13, and the side across from 12 is going to be double, so this will be 24. And that's your answer, and it's a griddable, so you will grid in 24. Okay, thank you, and have a nice day. Bye-bye.